How to cook original orange chicken. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. On a cutting board, cut chicken into 1 by 1 inch, 2 by 2 centimeters cubes and set aside. In a medium mixing bowl, combine salt, white pepper, cornstarch, and flour. Whisk to combine. Add the egg, water, and oil until it reaches the consistency of pancake batter. Add the chicken to the batter and refrigerate at least 30 minutes. Heat oil in a wok or heavy bottom pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Gently add the chicken and cook for 5 to 6 minutes until lightly golden brown. Remove the chicken from the pan and transfer to a paper towel-lined plate. Set a heavy bottomed pot over medium-high heat and add the oil. Once the oil begins to shimmer, add the red pepper flakes, ginger, and garlic, and cook for 30 seconds, stirring constantly. Add the sugar and brown sugar, and stir to combine. Add in the orange juice and allow the sugars to begin to dissolve in the liquid, stirring occasionally. Add in the vinegar and soy sauce, and stir to combine. Add the cornstarch and water together and whisk to combine. Add to the pan and stir. Continue to cook the sauce until maple syrup consistency is achieved. Add in the fried chicken and stir until completely coated in the sauce. Top with sesame oil. Serve and enjoy. Now you can easily make and enjoy your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for original orange chicken. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.